So why exactly should you be investing in this project? Because it is pre-certified gold green building structure, ensuring you long-term utility and future asset ratio. Let's also quickly understand about the builder. So the builder is known for executing large-scale, as you can see, high residential communities with advanced structural integrity. A project which is IGBC Gold Certified Sustainable Design, luxurious configurations and high rental demand. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey IMA class. Today we will be doing the project overview of Cyber City Oriana by Cyber City Builders and Developers, which is located off Green Hills Road, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Now, before starting the project, so this is what your entire surrounding of the project is going to look like. Your marketing office is present right over here, and your land parcel is just at the walking distance on the opposite corner. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers, creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will also be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So without wasting time, let's get the video started. Firstly, let's understand about the project. So it is constructed on 6.7 acres of land parcel and it features 3 towers with 3 basement ground and 24 floors. Now it includes your 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and also your 4 BHK duplex. Let's also quickly understand the location. So this is the exact location of the project, which is located on off Green Hills Road, Kukatpalli, Hi-Tech City, Hyderabad. Now you see your Kukatpalli metro station, your Nexus Mall. Let's talk about the location part. You see your Kukatpalli metro station is just 2.8 kilometers away from here. Your Nexus Mall Kukatpalli is 4.1 kilometers away. Let's also quickly understand about the amenities. You see, the project comes with a lot of amenities, which is going to include your grand clubhouse, and you will have your swimming pool area, your kids play area, multi-purpose sports courts, landscape gardens and a lot more. Now for all this while you were planning to buy a house here in Hyderabad, then I have one strong recommendation for you. That is, you definitely need to watch our Rights of Home Buyer series. So why exactly should you watch it? Many home buyers don't even know what their actual rights are. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money can the builder legally deduct? Sometimes after possession, you have leakage, construction quality related issues. Sometimes you don't even know what liabilities. So as a home buyer, it's very important to know all these rights. Well, we have just explained them in our series. So before you buy a home, I recommend you watch our series and the link for it is in the description below. Let's understand the super built up area. For 2 BHK it is 1250, for 3 BHK it is 1480 to 2050 square feet. Next, for 3.5 BHK you have 2380 square feet and for 4 BHK duplex you have 3030 to 4790 square feet. Let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open. The clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the entire project details, will share the pricing and the payment schemes as well. You will also be taken at the sample flat apartment. Now, if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the project overview of Cyber City Oriana by Cyber City Builders and Developers, which is located off Green Hills Road, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.